This story begins my sophomore year of high school when I was deciding where to go to college and what to study. I felt like the decision was just dumped on me like a ton of bricks. I had thought about it a little bit, but mostly they were just ideas that I wasn't really serious about. But now, it was time to get serious. I had 2 short years of school left to get it figured out. Did I want to become a doctor or an engineer? That was my biggest choice. I had been grappling with it for quite some time. And of course I couldn't find a school that had both. My choices were Nebraska, Iowa, or Iowa State. I ended up visiting Nebraska and Iowa. I liked both, but I settled on going to Iowa. I had everything ready to attend, but then over Christmas break something told me to at least visit Iowa State just to see what it was like. My visit was in early January, so there weren't really many students on campus because it was still Christmas break. The minute I set foot on campus, I knew it was where I wanted to be. As soon as I got home, I canceled my attendance at Iowa and switched it over to Iowa State. I decided to be an open option major just to be safe. Little did I know that campus was completely different when classes were in session. My first day of classes, campus was absolutely packed. It was ridiculous. After my first week, I started looking for places to transfer that were a little bit smaller. I ended up spending 3 semesters at Iowa State, and I also changed my major 3 times. The last time I changed it to chemistry education. I thought I knew for absolute certainty that chemistry education was what I wanted to do, so I started looking for a new college that offered that major. I also wanted to go someplace warm, so my first choice was Arizona State University, but that ended up being quite a bit too big. My aunt also told me to look at the University of South Dakota since she got her teaching degree there. I went to the website and it seemed like a pretty intriguing place, so I set up a visit. I made my visit during the semester this time, so I didn't make the same mistake that I did at Iowa State. This time I knew for sure that I was where I wanted to be. Campus was small enough to see familiar faces, but it was also large enough to be anonymous when I needed to be. It was the perfect fit for me. Although I've changed my major for the 4th time now to pre-medicine, I know that I'm in the right place at USD. It's a small place with big opportunities, and I'm glad that I discovered it, even if it was 3 semesters late. But you know what they say, better late than never, right?